Hello and welcome. Today I would like to discuss the diminished whole tone scale and some applications that you can use to apply this scale directly to dominant seventh chords. The scale is made up of half and whole steps. If we start on C and we play this over a C7 chord, C dominant 7, here are the notes. C, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, B flat, and C. Now the cool thing about this is that if you start on C, if every other note forms a minor third. So if you put those notes together, you have a diminished chord, C diminished, 7. And what that means is that C7, E flat 7, F sharp 7, and A7 are all related to each other by this scale. Let me show you how it works. If I wanted to run the scale over any of those chords, it would sound good because it's basically the same scale. So like we already did C, so if we did E flat 7, but we still started on that same note, it would sound like this. We can also start that same scale on E flat. Just like I said, it's the same scale essentially. All right, if we went up another minor third to F sharp 7, you could still run the scale over that. And you could run it over A7 as well. Now there are chords that are associated with this scale, and a good way to pull those chords out is by this little exercise that I'm going to show you. So if we start back here and we do the notes from a C7 chord, outlining the C7 chord, and resolve it to F major, F and A, and we took the C major triad, put it up here, then I'm going to go down a whole step. I'm going to cross over and go down a whole step, play a B flat, and then down a half step and play A major. Down a whole step, then down a half step, play F sharp major. Down a whole step to E, down a half step to E flat, down a whole step to D flat, and then you end on C. Go down another whole step, we get to F. Let's see what that sounds like when we put it together. Sometimes it helps to say the names of the chords as you're doing it. C, A, F sharp, E flat, and then that's F major. Okay, so we can also do this over E flat 7. I'll just run it real quickly. We're going to A flat, E flat to A flat. All right, now F sharp, same thing. That went from F sharp 7 to B, major 7. Okay, and finally, A7. Now we can get different sounds by starting on different inversions of the chords. Let's go back. And now let's take that C major chord, and now let's put the C in the middle, so it's a 6/4 inversion. Let's try that. A, F sharp, E flat, landing on F major. Okay. Now we move this up to E flat 7, starting here. Going to A flat. And F sharp 7. That's right. Finally, A7. Always have to falter over that one a little bit. Seems like it ought to go somewhere else. Okay, now let's do the other inversions. This time we're going to put the C on the top, go back to C7 again. This is a 6/3, a 6th, and a 3rd. That was a lot easier. Now we're going to move up to E flat 7 on the left hand. Okay. F sharp, going to B. It's fun to linger over the chords a little bit. Okay, and then A7, starting with the C chord in the right hand. I hope you have fun exploring the different combinations of chords you can find. Give me a note in the comments and let me know how it goes. Thank you.